Hey there, welcome to the 22nd episode of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to share something I call the Waterfall. It's a quick right hand technique. I'll show you just a little bit here. This is using a song that I wrote called Interstate. And it's really just, using your four fingers, well, your thumb, index, middle, ring finger, not your pinky. And it's a repetitive pattern in this set arpeggio. And I'll show you with a simple C chord first. And I'll show you what I'm doing really slow. And it's really just a repetitive pattern. Just thumb, index, middle, ring, over and over again. So to practice, just form a C chord, hit your root with the thumb, and then the bottom three strings with the other three fingers. Actually, I'm playing this C with the G on the 3rd fret, the E string, just like that. And just practice playing that regularly with a metronome and try to get every note very nice and even and strong. You want to get to the point that it's fast enough that it's fast, and you want to play it pretty gentle too. It's not like a really hard pick, but a really gentle pick. This kind of sounds like a cascade, kind of like a waterfall of notes. And in my song, what I'm doing is I'm alternating with my thumb. On one, I'm hitting the root, and then hitting on the next string 2 notes and then back. I'll show you the song. You take a C chord and you slide it up to the 8th fret. It forms an F. Basically, it's an F add 9, basically. So if you get that chord, and I'm going root, 3rd, 3rd. That's the 7th fret on the D string. 3rd, 3rd, root, 3rd, 3rd, root, 3rd. Little pattern with your thumb. But the important part is your index, middle, and ring. And the top strings just over and over again. Just like that. For practicing, maybe at first don't bother with the bass notes. With the bass note motion, just hit the 1 with your thumb. And you can also do it, just down here, any chord you like. But just start out really slow and just practice getting those really nice and even. The most important thing is rhythmically, there's no delay between them. You don't want there to be any hesitation at all. It should just be really regular and very light. And just work on your speed of that. And when it's comfortable like that, then try throwing in some bass motion. You do like an E minor chord too. And play with your right hand position too. See where you like it best. I hope that's interesting and useful to you. Please let me know any comments or questions you might have. And thanks as always for watching.